हल्के हल्के. Look at this. Wow. I'm not getting married, okay? Not till 2025. फूलों का शहर हो हम तुम सारे. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. So today's video is going to be a huge Indian wear haul by Myntra. We have like 8 or 9 pieces to talk about. So it's going to be a long video, so grab something to eat or drink and enjoy this video. And before we get started, I just want to apologize for 2 things. First is the construction noise जो आपको पूरे वीडियो में सुनाई देने वाली है. मैं क्या करूँ guys? This is like the second studio that we have, and construction, I think we have to accept it. If you are living in Mumbai especially, we have to accept it. It's not gonna leave our picha. And second thing that I want to apologize for is my hair. Like I'm growing them on your popular demand, okay? Mauham does not want me to cut my hair, so I'm not cutting them, and they are growing pretty nicely. But look at this. It's straight and this is like this, and I tried to intern them, okay, like this. Straight भी करने का, straightener से try किया, curler से try किया, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, hot brush से try किया, but anyways that's just how it's gonna be, so you have to ignore my hair in today's video. Yeah, so I just realized while talking to you guys, like जब मैं ये intro कर रही हूँ, I just realized कि मैंने ये type का video कभी आज तक 5 साल में नहीं किया है. Like what? Why have I never filmed like an Indian wear haul by Myntra? I don't know. I mean, I hope you guys love this video because I genuinely love all of the pieces that I have bought. This is not a sponsored video. I've bought this with my own money. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, this video is gonna have 2 categories. The first one is going to be short kurti dresses, and the other one is like a proper kurta pajama, like a kurti set. Okay, so let's start with this. What I'm wearing right now, it's a beautiful pom-pom kind of vibe dress. It's an off-white dress, 3/4 sleeves, and it has so much going on. Like it has gold detailing, it has some crochet vibe, it has some pom-pom details. I love this dress so much. It's from this brand called as Ishin, and I got this for 1500 rupees. I bought these 3 kurti dresses जो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. ये first है, उसमें और 2 बचे हुए हैं. I bought them when I was gonna go to Udaipur and the trip got cancelled very last minute, and उसी दिन पे L'Oreal का भी event था जो मैंने cancel कर दिया था because I had booked tickets for Udaipur, but वो cancel हो गया, and like yeah, मुझे FOMO हो गया था उस दिन पे. Trip भी नहीं हुई, L'Oreal का event भी नहीं हुआ. Anyways, but the dresses are here, so we're gonna make the most of it. The best part is cotton. So whatever I bought, like these 3 dresses that I'm gonna show you, ये मैंने उदयपुर की गर्मी ध्यान में रख के किया हुआ था. So this is a cotton dress. So again, it's not gonna like make you feel very icky and itchy in this weather, but ये white है, so you have to wear proper innerwear inside because अगर पसीना आता है तो see through हो जाएगा. So keep that in mind. But otherwise this dress is beautiful. Knee के थोड़ा ही ऊपर आता है, plus कुछ cleavage वगैरह नहीं दिख रहा है, so I think it's perfect for people who don't like showing that much skin. And then the best thing is it has 3 more colors, and I'm gonna pick all of them I feel, because there is a black one, then there is this muddy red color, and also this green. Look at this green color, you guys. It's so pretty, like this flowy dress. I think I'm gonna do like a photo shoot on this town mein with like flowers, and it'll be very beautiful. So yeah, this is one of the first dresses that I wanted to talk about, and it's beautiful. I love it. 1500 rupees, no complaint whatsoever. The quality is good. The only thing is इसको pocket होना चाहिए था, बहुत मजा आता फिर. But yeah, otherwise a big thumbs up. Alright, moving on to this. Oh my god, this screams Rajasthan. Look at the pattern. It's so beautiful. This is like a midi dress. This is not a short dress like the previous one. This is how it looks like. This is the pattern. Okay, it has so much going on. Again, ये color, different color, contrasting colors. Then the बीच में gold है, फिर नीचे print है. Of course, it also comes with a dupatta, so it's giving like that very different Bollywood vibe. You know that girl who goes to office with like very beautiful kurtis. Yeah, मुझे वो vibe आती है ये dress देख के, because it's like a midi dress, and if you are tall especially, it's gonna look so beautiful. अगर आप short हो तो ये midi जैसा नहीं दिखेगा आप पे, for obvious reason, because even I am short, so it doesn't look like a midi on me. It looks like a proper gown on me. which also looks beautiful by the way. So this is how it looks like. It's like a wrap up thing. So ये बाजू में ऐसे you can tie over here. Again, beautiful quality, beautiful color. I feel this color is gonna flatter a lot of skin tones. This is from this brand called as Sangria, and I got it for around 800 rupees back then. Guys, the prices are gonna vary because ये मैंने बहुत पहले लिया था, 2-3 महीने हो गए इसको. So yeah, and I'm in the size S. and this is again pure cotton, so again a big thumbs up, definitely meant for this weather. Alright, the last in this category is gonna be this. Look at this print, oh my god, look at this. Black and gold is always like my favorite. I have one more dress जो मैंने ईद वाले वीडियो में आपको दिखाया था. It's so beautiful. This is not a dress, this is a kurti, short kurti जो आप jeans पे पहन सकते हो. And again, I didn't own any short kurtis, so this is a blessing. And again, black is one of my favorite colors. इसको भी वो साइड वाला पैटर्न है जो इसे बाजू में बांधते हैं ना, रैप टॉप टाइप फीलिंग है इसमें भी. 3/4 sleeves, V neck. I got this for 650 rupees only. This is from this brand called Sassafras, which is on Myntra. And I think वो brand काफी affordable clothes बनाता है and काफी अच्छी quality भी होती है. This is not cotton, by the way. This is rayon, I guess. So yeah, I just hope this gold detailing does not come off. I have washed this once, however. तो कुछ खराब तो हुआ नहीं, but I don't know ये कितना time तक ये print चलेगा. So that's that. Let's move on to the proper Indian wear stuff. This dress has my heart. It's like a very simple yet very elegant dress. This is how the kurta looks like. ये पट्टी वाला इसका feel है, and it has this detailing over here. And then the dupatta is to die for. Like the main क्या बोलते हैं attraction for this is the dupatta. Okay. This is how the dupatta looks like. I don't know if it's doing justice on the camera, but I will insert the clips of me wearing it and you will understand what I'm talking about. It's the perfect definition of simple yet elegant when I look at this piece. And I got this for 1600 rupees. This is from this brand called as Maishka, and I'm in the size S. Whatever I have bought is in the size S. I feel so good that I fit in S now, because when I had gained weight, I was not even fitting in M, you guys. But anyways, I'm working towards it. I'm working towards my health, and yeah, that's another topic. But this is so beautiful. I mean, this is cotton, if I'm not wrong. Let me just check. Kurta and bottom fabric is silk blend, and dupatta is pure silk. So you can understand the feel of this. This is actually so soft against your skin. Definitely check it out if you don't mind wearing singlet dresses. This is so good. Like if you're a new bride, especially, imagine you're wearing like this red or green chuda and like oh my god, I'm seeing so many people getting married and मेरे दिमाग में बस वो bride वाला ही feeling आ रहा है. I'm not getting married, okay? Not till 2025. Hold your horses. Alright, let's move on to a black dress. I mean, of course, it's Mao. After purple, if I like something, it's pink and black. So this is an office wear, I would say. Again, this is cotton, and this is 3/4 sleeves. Very simple black kurti which looks like this and has this detailing over here. So center में ऐसा, and उसका पजामा भी काफी simple palazzo pant type से, नीचे ऐसा detailing दिया हुआ है. Can you guys see? Again, इसका attraction is this dupatta. Like this contrast dupatta vibe is so my style these days. Like I look for dresses which have a heavy dupatta more than having a heavy kurta, you know what I mean? Because I feel heavy dupattas you can style with a lot of other outfits, like other simple kurtis. So you can repurpose your Indian wear, and this is how the dupatta looks like. Look at this, oh my god, look at this. I think red is such a, again, bride color, guys. I need to stop talking about marriage and brides. This is how the dupatta looks like, and black and red is again such a classic combo. This is definitely an office wear. You can wear this. अगर आपको बहुत लग रहा है ये, तो आप इसे पूरा फैला के मत लो. You can just like do this and you're sorted, because पीछे वाली side is plain. So yeah, you're good to go. And or else you can just like wear this on its own to your office, and again it's good to go. Okay, this is from this brand called as Jaipuri Bunai, and I'm in the size S, and I got this for 1000 rupees only. Woohoo! Love it. One of my favorite dresses again. Alright, let's move on to this very unique mehndi color, which I never owned in my collection. Look at this beautiful color and the print that is going on. Oh my god, it's giving that वो मूवी था ना, जैसे फूलों का शहर हो हम तुम सारे बस और क्या. अरे ऋतिक रोशन और प्रीति जिंटा वाला, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, and let me know which movie I'm talking about. Is it Mission Kashmir? I guess, but it's giving me that vibe. Like when I wear this, I just feel so good. I don't know what it is about this dress. This is from this brand called as Anok, आई डोंट नो इसका प्राइस इतना हाई कप क्यों हो गया है, बट व्हेन आई बॉट इट इट वाज 2100, राइट नाउ इट्स शोइंग 4000 एंड आई डोंट थिंक इट्स वर्थ 4000. बट अनॉक बहुत एक्सपेंसिव कपड़े ही बनाता है, बट या sorry guys, but if you can afford a dress for 4000, of course go for it, it's nothing wrong, but I just feel 4000 is too much for this dress. This is this olive green ethnic kurta, and iska material is rayon and chiffon, okay, but this feels very soft against your skin. Just by the way, this is a 3/4 sleeve kurti. Okay, this is how the pattern looks like. The best part is this, इसका जो पजामा है ना, उसका नीचे का पार्ट देखो, it's so beautiful, like it's embellished. Can you guys see? I love it. I love this detailing, and the dupatta also has a little bit of detailing going on. बीच में ऐसा plain है, and फिर end में उसको वैसा वाला वो again print है. So yeah, again I love that dress, but I don't know why the price is hiked up so much. So I'm kind of bummed right now. Alright, moving on to this right here, which I already showed in my Eid video. So this is how the top looks like. Again, black and gold detailing, very beautiful. 3/4 sleeves. It has like this button V wala feeling over here center pe, and then niche it's a sharara or gharara, right? So this adds up to your आउटफिट. आई फील नीचे अगर घरारा शरारा जो भी आप बोलते हो वो होता है तो ड्रेस और ज्यादा मोर एथनिक लगता है. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. अगर नॉर्मल प्लाजो पैंट्स होते हैं तो वो इतना नहीं एथनिक लगता है, बट व्हेन दिस समथिंग लाइक दिस इज देयर, आई लव इट. एंड आई फील इसको और थोड़ा गोल्डन डिटेलिंग होनी चाहिए थी तो और मजा आता, बट अगेन आई एम फाइंडिंग द पॉजिटिव थिंग्स इन लाइफ. बिकॉज इसको गोल्डन डिटेलिंग नहीं है, आई कैन यूज दिस अंडर समथिंग एल्स जिसको गोल्डन डिटेलिंग नहीं है. सो आई कैन यूज दिस लाइक अ ब्लैक प्लेन पलाजो अंडर एनीथिंग. सो या दैट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट. एंड देन द स्टार इज दिस दुपट्टा. बोलना हल्के हल्के, बोलना हल्के हल्के. लुक एट दिस. वाओ guys, this is such a beautiful print. Yeah, I mean love this, love this. This is from this brand called as Sunehri. I'm in the size S and this was for around 2000 rupees, 2015 to be precise. मैंने जब खरीदा था तभी भी इतना ही था and अभी भी इतना ही दिखा रहा है. So yeah, if you want to grab it, go ahead and grab it. I feel it's worth 2000 rupees because the work is a lot. Then last but not the least is again a very simple yet elegant kurti. इसमें दुपट्टा नहीं है. This is how it looks like. Is it Lucknowi? Wait, I think it's Lucknowi. So this is a knock white chikankari embroidered kurta, not Lucknowi. I don't understand the difference between Lucknowi and chikankari. Please explain if you can. This is how the print looks like. The light is actually whitewashing it, so you can't understand. But this has such a beautiful and elegant print. Again 3/4 sleeves and नीचे normal palazzo pants है. इसमें कुछ भी like extra नहीं है, so you can do extra with your makeup. You can go bold with your earrings, जैसे मैंने वीडियो में दिखाया हुआ था. And yeah, I think it's a steal for 1000 rupees. It has different colors and I am gonna definitely pick up this dark green. Look at this, it's such a beautiful pine green color. I'm definitely gonna pick this up because 1000 rupees के लिए I think it's a good deal, fair deal. So yeah, I think that is it that I wanted to talk about in today's video. I hope you guys like this video and let me know if you like such Indian wear hauls, or let me know what other haul you want me to do, because I'm thinking to do like a Meesho haul but not Indian wear because Indian wear अभी बहुत हो गया. Let's do like a Meesho haul, but Meesho haul में भी क्या चाहिए आपको वो बताना comment section में. And don't forget to follow me over here. Don't forget to follow me on my vlogging channel which is called Mormau. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. सारे links description box में मिल जाएंगे. And I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye.